OnePlus 8 Pro 5G, specs leaked on a screenshot. Recently, we have been talking about the flagship smartphones that will hit the market soon. Among them, we more frequently mention the Xiaomi Mi 10 series, the Redmi K30 Pro, the Huawei P40 series, the iQOO 3, and a few other models. But we forgot about the OnePlus 8 line handsets, especially the OnePlus 8 Pro variant. But its launch date is getting closer, so it's quite expected we will get more news. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. A few days ago, iQOO revealed a screenshot of the suspected OnePlus 8 Pro 5G About phone page. When looking at it, many configuration information of the machine becomes clear at a glance. Specifically, the OnePlus 8 Pro 5G model HD 2023 is expected to be equipped with a Snapdragon 865 5G platform chip. The latter should be paired with a 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM configuration. Another highlighted feature is going to be a 6.65-inch, 120Hz flow screen. And of course, the handset will sport a flagship camera of 3 sensors combination, 64MP plus 20MP wide angle plus 12MP telephoto. In the screenshot, we can also notice the punch-hole screen design of the OnePlus 8 Pro 5G. Plus, the machine comes pre-installed with Android 10 system. Of course, the authenticity of this news needs to be further confirmed. But the camera parameters part is almost in hand with what we have heard earlier. For the OnePlus 8 Pro 5G, we hope that it can sport a large battery with a fast charge of more than 50W. If not, it will fall behind of other flagship smartphones on the market. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.